good afternoon from me and Miss Frankers, who's very warm today. Are you a very warm dog today? Oh, it's very hot today, so we're going to try and hide in the garage, right, Min? And, okay. I'm going to carry on making the trunk floor for the 1960 Impala here. Today, I want to make the back of the trunk floor here. I'll get the pattern. Okay, there's the pattern, or kind of a pattern anyway. So it's basically going to be something like that. Let's go get started by transferring this to some steel, and we'll just see how it goes from there, I guess. Alright, there's a piece we made last week, and that goes of course under here, and today we're going to be making this piece along here. It'll be nice to get that done because there's nothing holding up the back of the car. So if this one turns out well, which I'm hoping it will, we're going to essentially mirror it for the other side. So that's the plan. We'll get going. Yeah, so you will beat the stretch in it there. So what I was thinking...
Well, you can't put it... Which one is you can't put it into the stretcher?
Yeah, I might. But it can tear it, where I find it's a little more gentle to do it this way.
Yeah.
And I'm going to... I got to get a straighter...
Well, what are you going to clamp a piece of wood onto the vise, or?
I don't really even know yet.
Yeah.
I kind of just make it up as I go. I'm going to just start and then see how it
goes, yeah.
There's our template. Let's just see how it goes. So the idea is that all of this stays at one height. This all dives down, and then this dives down at the end. So the most obvious way to do this would be put this in here first. Oh, look at that, it's just the perfect.
Yeah. You almost got it done.
Well, it's not going to be very happy. Okay, that's the...
What is it? Does it go at a 90 or just...
No, it just goes down a bit. I'm just trying to... This has to go down. And that has to go down. We're not going to get that one. Okay, so that says we got to shrink it along here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We'll get it. Sure.
I totally see what you're doing.
Yeah. And I think you take... I'll go down to the log here. See, you're already getting somewhere.
Well, okay. Have you got a garbage can big enough to fit this piece?
Oh, it'll be fine. Because if you shrink it and stretch it in the right place, it does the rest itself.
I bet you GM has still got the die to make that. Hey?
Well, you can still buy this piece. It's just that it'd be $500 by the time you got here.
Exactly. For a little piece of tin.
Yeah, and I just don't have the money.
Well, how much do you want to dump into it?
Well, I can't.
Yeah, that's right.
If I got 30 grand into the car when it's done, I might as well just buy a good one.
Well, yeah.
Like, there's a good one out there.
It's coming.
Yeah, it'll go.
Yeah.
Trying to put the creases in first so that it kind of goes where you want it to and whatever. Oh, oops, I've been filming the floor the whole time.
Oh.
Whatever, nobody watches this shit. I'm gonna get my trailer ball and when it only goes down about this far and then it curls back this way.
Oh,
Yeah,
well, that's another thing you're gonna have to figure out
that's
later.
right. So for now,
You gotta get
we're
this right
just,
first. Yeah.
yeah.
Well, can you hold it in there just to kind of see?
I don't know.
Not really, or?
Maybe. Just don't know. Maybe we take it over to the car and see.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Not bad, buddy.
Good enough. Huh? That's good enough.
Good enough.
Screw it up.
So,
Huh?
well, we just need that number there, which is, yeah, so we'll have to measure that, but that one should go,
You gotta go over farther.
yeah.
I think you're gonna have to cut the
Where
end
is
off of
that
it.
one goes to there.
Yeah.
You see that line there?
Yeah.
That is this line here. So that's okay. It's not
It's-
nearly
yeah.
so far off as it could be.
No, I mean, you shoved it in there, hey, and things.
So I'm gonna cut
Trim off
this.
a ½ inch, at least.
That's traced from the bumper. Okay, trim that.
Don't cut too much off of here. You don't want to be short there.
Okay, try it again. That's right about there. Okay. So there's no point going much further until we level that off.
Well, yeah, you gotta tip it up
Yeah.
to match this.
We gotta be pretty close. The nice thing about doing that
It's
is
straight.
that, well, it's straight and it'll give us a bunch of strength.
Strength, too.
Because right now it's kind of
Yeah.
wobbly. And then all we got left to sort out is this mess here. Okay.
No
I'm just gonna-
swearing.
No swearing, remember. There's no swearing on the show. Okay. Okay. Too much here, which is good.
That's okay.
Less is
You gotta
better.
straighten that out. Huh?
And we could use, it's actually not that bad.
It's not bad at all, really.
Yeah, it's not really that
No.
bad. Give it a little more here. For what we're trying to
Wasn't
do.
this supposed to come closer to the end, though?
Hmm?
Wasn't that curved part supposed to come a little closer to the end?
Oh, look.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Alrighty.
See?
Yeah.
I almost made that mistake here too.
Yeah.
And that goes
Okay.
there. Yeah, there, look, it's
Yeah.
pretty close.
Yeah.
I just got to round that corner.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I believe, oh, there we go. There's that mess there. So that still has to come down a lot steeper. Really good, except for this corner, really.
Yeah, but this is all.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
well, we're gonna have to do is straighten this up.
Yeah.
Kinda, sorta.
Yeah.
This is the shit we have to work with. Okay.
See, fiberglass cloth would have just
Fiberglass
went
cloth
right
is
in
your
there.
friend, yeah.
would have fit in there real
Would have
nice.
sorted that out right
Because it's bendable and everything.
now. Doesn't fight you like the
No,
steel does.
no, this metal is just shit.
Doing stuff with metal is bullshit, man. So it looks to me like this is too long. We're gonna cut that back, fold that down more.
You can fine tune this once you get them all the pieces made too, eh?
Oh yeah, well it'll.
Yeah.
I just got to get something that I can
That's
get started.
close, yeah.
Once we're
Yeah,
going, but there, look at that. That
Yeah.
lip is
yeah,
spot
right
on
on.
there. Got a nice radius hammer here and made up for Laura's roller. Tidy up this bottom roll here. Hey guys, just wanted to let you know real quick that the 1937 Chevy t-shirts are coming out of the printing press as we speak, and we'll be starting to put them in the mail very early next week. So thanks again to everybody who ordered one. I think they turned out really well. Sorry about the beard, there we go. And they look just as good as I could have hoped. So we'll be mailing those right from my yard here next week. And thanks again to everybody who ordered one. Should be getting them very soon. Cheers. And there's our finished chunk of trunk, or whatever we were going to call that. This one we did last week. Primer's still a bit tacky, but there you get the idea. So that guy is going to go there, and of course that one will go there. Yeah, that's her there. And as soon as the three pieces at the back are finished, we will start on the floor. I've got an idea how I'm going to do the floor, and I don't know if it'll be the right idea, but I've got an idea. So the floor is a bit of a job for sure. There's a lot of ribs and such in there, but nevertheless, there we are. Those go together kind of like that. Anyway, lots of fiddling to do, but we're in the neighborhood. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see everybody on Saturday for more of the... This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.